Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So we got a couple of ways how we can do that. Then the first one is you should just go into the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here go to the volume, and here as can you see our ringtone is moved, and just to unmute the ringtone you should swipe this dot with the pen or with your finger, that doesn't matter, here to the right side. And by this way you can unmute your ringtone, and also we can just do it by the same kind of way, just to use your volume buttons here. But first be sure that here in your volume section you got disable this option to use volume keys for media, because if you enable this option you will with your volume buttons you will change the media, not the ringtone volume. So just disable, turn off this switcher. And now just by press your up volume button you can unmute your ringtone, and also you can make it by the third way, just by use the pen or your finger, just swipe up this volume panel. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.